Welcome to TV Festival for another red carpet during the 66th Cannes Film Festival. We are here to see a film directed by Valeria Bruni Tedeschi, who has made her third feature film after It's Easier for a Camel and Actresses. Now she's in competition for the very first time with a film called A Castle in Italy. The film crew has just drawn up in their limousines. So this is a first-time experience for Valeria Bruni Tedeschi. This year she is also the only female film director in the competition, with her latest film starring Louis Garrel, who also featured in her film Actresses, also with she co-wrote with Noémie Lvovsky, as she has done in the past.
Bonjour, Valeria Bruni.
Hello, Valeria. How are you? Very well, thank you. How do you feel? Just seconds before the red carpet ceremony for your new film. Oh, I'm a bit scared. My heart's beating at 100 to the dozen. What's the story you're hoping to tell to the viewers through your film? Perhaps that love saves us from the time that goes by, from death, from fear. Since your first film, you have always shared with us your doubts, your fragility. Is this one further step in the same direction? Well, yes, that's all I have to share, my fragility. And you're writing with Noémie Lvovsky again. You've directed Louis Garrel. Yes, Noémie helped me wrote this film as my other two, and I love all of the actors and actresses that are in this latest film. I hope everyone's going to love our film, and I hope people will love the actors in the film. Well, love is in the air. Have a lovely red carpet ceremony. Hello, Louis Garrel. Welcome to you. How do you feel here defending this film alongside Valeria? Well, the weather's fine, so I'm feeling great. But because it's the film festival, I'm a bit nervous. But otherwise, I'm pleased because all of us know each other very well. It's a very intimate film. We haven't seen the film yet. This really will be a world first screening. So if we understand correctly, it's a further look into family life. Yes, well, Valeria's auntie has just walked by. Yes, it's like a personal diary with a kind of crazy twist. So what kind of crazy adventures happen to you? Oh, so much happens, but nothing out of the ordinary. These are tiny details, big things in life. But I'm having difficulty speaking. I've got no more saliva. I'm so nervous. Well, enjoy the red carpet anyway. That was Louis Garrel, who is working with Valeria Bruni Tedeschi again. He worked with her in the previous film Actresses. This is the director's third film. Her second film, Actresses, was at the festival in 2007 and won the jury prize. And now now she's back in an official competition with her latest film called A Castle in Italy, the story of a big, wealthy family of Italian origin, based in France, settled in France, and the family situation crumbles and the heroine falls in love. So it's a story of a family, it's a love story also. And once again, Valeria Bruni Tedeschi with her very unique approach to cinema, very delicate, very ironic. She's back again with her same style. And here we have her crew, including her mum, actress Marisa Borini, who's been in all of her films.
Mais aussi de Louis Garrel.
Also Louis Garrel.
De Filippo Timi.
All featuring in the film.
La scénariste Agnès de Sassy.
The screenplay writer Agnès de Sassy is here. Also starring in the film is Céline Sallette, who is famous for acting in House of Tolerance. Noémie Lvovsky, who always participates in the screenplay, occasionally acts as well. Noémie and Valeria work together regularly. A few minutes ago, we saw Céline Sallette dancing a little bit.
The music
from a film by Michel Gondry encourages people to dance. It's got a really good rhythm. An afternoon red carpet is much less strict than the evening. The protocol is a little looser. People let themselves go a bit.
L'année dernière, c'était pour De rouille et d'os de Jacques Audiard et l'année d'avant pour La Polonide de Bertrand Bonello. Et elle est à côté.
Here we are with the crew. We have Xavier Beauvois.
Était à la distribution de La Polonide. C'est étonnant.
He also acted in The House of Tolerance alongside Céline Sallette. Xavier Beauvois is here with Céline Sallette. They're both here in Valeria Bruni Tedeschi's latest film.
Et Céline Sallette, prix Romy Schneider.
Céline Sallette won the Romy Schneider Prize in 2013.
Tous ces acteurs sont des
All of these actors are regulars here on the red carpet. Valeria Bruni Tedeschi has been here as an actress herself in competition on many occasions. The first time for La Seconda Volta in 1996. She came back for Those Who Love Me Will Catch the Train. Louis Garrel was in competition in 2007 for the first time with Love Songs by Christophe Honoré, whom he acts for regularly. He's also been here with a film directed by his father and has been for short and medium-length films as well, not only feature films.
2010 à la quinzaine. Un château en Italie sortira le 2.
A Castle in Italy will be released in France on the 2nd of October. So moviegoers throughout the country will be able to go and explore this third feature film by Valeria Bruni Tedeschi. Here you see her mother on screen, Marisa Borini, who stars in the film. She's dancing with Xavier Beauvois.
Alors Valeria Bruni Tedeschi,
Valeria Bruni Tedeschi doesn't say that. Also says that the film isn't autobiographical. However, there is a lot of influence from her own family life in the film. Actresses was all about a 40-year-old actress who couldn't act anymore, was dreaming of getting married and having children. Her films always have an ironic touch to them. They're very sensitive. The writing is really unique.
Et donc aux côtés de Valeria Bruni Tedeschi.
Alongside Valeria Bruni Tedeschi, we have Louis Garrel, Agnès de Sacy, screenplay writer, Noémie Levski, co-screenplay writer, acteur Xavier Beauvois.
C'est donc le troisième film français de la compétition.
This is the third French film in the competition that we've seen so far after Ozon's film.
Même si vous le savez peut-être,
Beautiful, and also the Arnaud Desplechin film, Jimmy P. Although you may know that Valeria Bruni Tedeschi has double nationality, Italian and French. The entire team is gathering there on the red carpet.
Avec des personnages qui ont des multiples casquettes. Louis Garrel, acteur, réalisateur.
Louis Garrel is an actor. He's directed his own short films. Xavier Beauvois is a director. Of course, he won the prize for Of God and Men here in the Film Festival in 2010. And 95, he got a prize for Don't Forget You're Going to Die.
Qui a vécu un grand succès fin 2012.
All of the other actors and actresses have also got twin hats.
Alors, le prix de la SACD à la quinzaine des réalisateurs.
Céline Sallette, for example, in House of Tolerance.
Et puis vous aurez reconnu le...
And you will have recognized King of the Tweets, Gilles Jacob, up there on the step, who has got the habit of taking snaps and making little tweets after each red carpet.
Tandis que la musique s'est faite italienne.
The music has taken a very Italian turn, paying tribute to Valeria Bruni Tedeschi.
qui présente un château en Italie.
who is here with her third film, A Castle in Italy.
Et concourt pour la première fois à la
And for the first time is competing for the Golden Palm with a story all about a family with many autobiographical touches, a family which is crumbling when the family home, when the dynasty's home is put up for sale.
En crise,
A family in a crisis, but also there's a budding love story in there.
et solidarité peut-être italienne. On a vu tout à l'heure le
There's some
réalisateur.
Italian solidarity. I saw Sorrentino down on the red carpet earlier on. He'll be here to view the film. He's going to be in competition tomorrow, in fact. His film is called The Great Beauty.
Et l'équipe est accompagnée par des
The crew is accompanied by several friends. At the very bottom of the steps, there are about 50 people whistling, shouting hooray, waving, supporting all the crew.
soutiens à l'équipe.
Il va être également accueilli en haut des marches par le directeur du CNC, M. Eric Garando.
24 marches à gravir.
24 steps to be climbed
Théâtre Lumière, où le film
up
Un château en
to
Italie est présenté.
the Grand Théâtre Lumière.
Montée des marches de la journée de
This
ce
is the
5e
first red carpet of this 5th day of competition at the 66th Cannes Film Festival.
Un château en Italie que vous découvrirez
It's
donc
called
début
A
octobre.
Castle in Italy, to be released in France at the beginning of October.